In today's video, we're diving into the world of alarm ringtone apps for Android. Waking up can be a challenge, but with the right sound to greet you in the morning, it can become a much more enjoyable experience. Ringtone Song Alarm App. This application allows users to set their favorite songs as alarm ringtones, providing a personalized wake-up experience. With a wide selection of popular tracks available, users can choose music that inspires or energizes them in the morning. The app features customization options such as volume control and snooze settings, which help ensure a pleasant waking experience. Additionally, it may allow users to create playlists specifically for their alarms, making mornings more enjoyable and motivating. Garage Ringtone Alarm. This app offers a unique twist on traditional alarm sounds by providing a selection of quirky and creative noises reminiscent of garage sounds and music. It is perfect for those who prefer a more unconventional alarm experience that can make waking up feel fun and exciting. Users can also create their own sounds by recording or mixing different noises, giving them the freedom to personalize their alarms further. This feature can be particularly appealing for users looking to express their creativity while ensuring they wake up on time. Ringtone Alarm Android. This application combines essential alarm functionalities with a vast library of ringtones from various genres and styles. Users can easily browse and select the perfect sound to wake up to, whether they prefer calming melodies or upbeat tracks. The app also includes features like vibration settings, customizable snooze options, and a user-friendly interface, all designed to enhance the waking experience. With its extensive selection and easy-to-use features, this app caters to a wide range of preferences, ensuring that everyone can find an alarm sound that suits their needs. We hope this overview of the best alarm ringtone apps for Android has helped you find the perfect way to start your day. See you next time.